Title: Procrastination, Understanding the Science Behind Delayed Action. Abstract: Procrastination is a pervasive phenomenon that affects individuals across various domains of life. Despite its prevalence, the underlying causes and mechanisms of procrastination have long intrigued researchers. This article aims to delve into the scientific research surrounding procrastination, exploring its cognitive, emotional, and behavioral aspects. By understanding the intricate workings of procrastination, we can develop effective strategies to overcome this self-defeating habit and enhance productivity and well-being. Introduction. Procrastination, the act of delaying or postponing tasks, has been a subject of interest for researchers from psychology, neuroscience, and behavioral sciences. This article aims to consolidate the knowledge and findings from various disciplines to provide a comprehensive understanding of procrastination. The cognitive perspective. From a cognitive standpoint, procrastination is often associated with a discrepancy between present-focused, immediate gratification and future-oriented, long-term goals. This discrepancy involves cognitive processes such as temporal discounting, self-regulation, and the planning fallacy. We explore how these processes influence our decision-making and contribute to procrastination. The emotional factors. Emotions play a crucial role in the procrastination cycle. Negative emotions, such as anxiety, fear of failure, and low self-efficacy, can act as triggers for procrastination. Additionally, the concept of mood repair suggests that individuals may engage in procrastination as a means of temporarily alleviating negative emotions. We examine the interplay between emotions and procrastination and discuss strategies to manage emotional states effectively. Behavioral patterns and procrastination. Behavioral patterns associated with procrastination involve a preference for immediate gratification, avoidance of discomfort, and a tendency to engage in distracting activities. The dopamine system, reward sensitivity, and impulsivity are factors that contribute to these behavioral patterns. We explore how these factors relate to procrastination and discuss methods to modify behavioral patterns. Procrastination and well-being. Procrastination has significant implications for overall well-being. Chronic procrastination can lead to increased stress levels, reduced self-esteem, and impaired mental health. On the other hand, structured time management, goal setting, and adaptive coping strategies can promote well-being and reduce the negative impact of procrastination. Overcoming procrastination. Drawing from the existing literature, we outline evidence-based strategies to overcome procrastination. These strategies encompass self-awareness, self-regulation techniques, setting clear goals, developing effective time management skills, and utilizing behavioral modification techniques. By implementing these strategies, individuals can gradually break free from the procrastination cycle. Future directions. The study of procrastination continues to evolve, and future research holds the promise of uncovering additional insights into this complex behavior. We discuss potential areas for further investigation, including the influence of technology, cultural factors, and the role of self-compassion in combating procrastination. Conclusion. Procrastination is a multifaceted phenomenon that impacts individuals across various domains. By understanding the cognitive, emotional, and behavioral factors underlying procrastination, we can develop targeted interventions and strategies to overcome this self-defeating habit. This article serves as a stepping stone for future research and encourages individuals to take proactive steps towards improved productivity and well-being. In conclusion, by unraveling the science behind procrastination, we can equip ourselves with the knowledge and tools to overcome this common challenge and unlock our true potential.